Today, I'll be teaching you a delicacy from the southeast of Nigeria, Ofe Akwu, another unique way to enjoy your white rice. Come on in, guys, let's do it together. Hey, this is Dekas and you're welcome to my channel. Our major fruit, of course, is the palm fruit. So we're going to be cooking this till very soft. You could do and remove it from the kernel, and then we know it's ready. Then we drain the water from the palm fruit, that is akwu, and then we start pounding. We pound while hot, not cold. We start pounding immediately. We're going to be pounding till we see like this, so that we'll be able to squeeze out the palm fruit extract for our Ofe Akwu, that is Banga Stew or the palm fruit stew. Be very careful when trying to extract the palm fruit extract, so squeeze tightly but very careful, and when you're through with this, you sieve the water out to make sure you have a clean water for our Ofe Akwu. Then when we're done with this, we start boiling. We put our palm fruit extract on fire and boil till start getting thick. Then we add our meat broth, adding salt, our stockfish and dried fish well washed with hot water into the pot. Then we also adding our roughly blended Scotch bonnet peppers and crayfish into the pot. Turn, add our seasoning cubes, and then we cover the pot and cook some more. When it boils some more, open up, add your well seasoned and fried meat into the pot. You could grill if you don't want to fry, but make sure you fry it. Then you add it in so that it will get that Ofe Akwu taste in it. Then I added some more seasoning cubes, and then also added Ogiri, that is the fermented castor seed. It's the best for this soup. Then we'll mix some more. You could see that my Ofe Akwu is beginning to thick very well. You turn some more and leave the soup, the Ofe Akwu, to boil like 2 minutes. Then you open up, add your fish. The fish should be the last thing you add into your pot because you don't want it scattered in the Ofe Akwu. So we're going to just stir. We want that flavor to enter our fish. Then we add in our well washed and sliced scent leaves to our Ofe Akwu. You need lots and lots of this leaf into your Ofe Akwu. I don't want to put in ugu. Some put pumpkin leaves, that is the ugu leaves, but I don't see why I should add to mine. I just like this flavor and I don't want my Ofe Akwu being watery, so this is always enough for me and I like putting it much. That is all about the soup, and you can enjoy it with your white rice. Very delicious, a unique way to always enjoy your white rice. So thank you so much, guys, for engaging on my videos. I do see it. God bless you all, and please, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on my other recipe videos. Bye.